How to turn off Discord notification sound. If you're trying to turn off the sound of your Discord notification, first of all, open up your Discord app and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you get to profile on the top right, you'll find the gear icon. And now what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you find your notification settings. Just tap on notifications, and once you get here, you'll find different options like get notifications within Discord, notify on every new messages in conversations, get notifications when your friends stream, and other stuff like your reaction notifications. Here you also have highlight notification. If you tap on it, you could change the highlight notification for these different servers. Now what you want to do is tap on get notifications outside Discord, and from here head over to notifications on your phone's app. Then click on notification categories, and from here you can select any notification category like direct messages. So as you can see, the default sound is right here, and if you want to remove the sound, make it silent like this, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.